Are you a MTF crossdresser who wants to express your true self and live your best life? Do you want to feel more confident, attractive, and happy as a woman? Do you want to achieve your goals and dreams with ease and grace? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. In this video, you will learn how to use your femininity to get what you want as a MTF crossdresser. You will discover what femininity is and why it is important for MTF crossdressers. How to develop your feminine mindset and attitude, how to enhance your feminine appearance and style, how to communicate and interact with others in a feminine way, and how to use your femininity to get what you want in life. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to embrace and express your femininity as a MTF crossdresser, and how to use it to your advantage in every aspect of your life. So, let's get started. Femininity is not something that is fixed or determined by your biological sex, gender identity, or sexual orientation. Femininity is something that you can choose to cultivate and express in your own unique way. Femininity is a powerful and beautiful force that can enrich your life and make you more attractive and magnetic to others. Femininity is especially important for MTF crossdressers, because it can help you feel more comfortable and authentic in your own skin, boost your self-esteem and confidence as a woman, enhance your physical and mental health and well-being, attract more love, respect, and admiration from others, fulfill your personal, professional, and social needs and desires. The first step to using your femininity to get what you want as a MTF crossdresser is to develop your feminine mindset and attitude. Your mindset and attitude are the foundation of your femininity, and they influence how you think, feel, and act as a woman. Here are some tips to help you enhance your feminine appearance and style. Choose flattering and feminine clothing and accessories. One of the easiest and most effective ways to enhance your feminine appearance and style is to choose clothing and accessories that flatter and feminize your body. You need to know your body shape, your skin tone, and your personal style, and to choose clothing and accessories that suit them. For example, you can wear clothing that accentuates your curves, such as wrap dresses, aligned skirts, or high-waisted pants. You can also wear clothing that adds volume to your hips and bust, such as ruffled tops, padded bras, or hip pads. You can also wear clothing that makes your shoulders appear smaller, such as V-neck lines, dark colors, or vertical stripes. You can also wear accessories that add sparkle and glamour to your outfit, such as earrings, necklaces, bracelets, or scarves. You can also wear accessories that complement your face shape, such as sunglasses, hats, or hair clips. Apply makeup and style your hair. Another way to enhance your feminine appearance and style is to apply makeup and style your hair. Makeup and hair can make a huge difference in your look, and they can help you conceal any masculine features and highlight your feminine features. You need to learn the basics of makeup and hair, and to practice and experiment with different products and techniques. For example, you can use makeup to create a flawless complexion, to define your eyes and lips, to contour your face, and to add blush and highlighter to your cheeks. You can also use makeup to create different looks, such as natural, glamorous, or dramatic. You can also use hair to create a feminine hairstyle, such as long, curly, or wavy. You can also use hair to change your hair color, texture, or length. You can also use hair to accessorize your outfit, such as with clips, bands, or extensions. Use body language and gestures to convey femininity. The third way to enhance your feminine appearance and style is to use body language and gestures to convey femininity. Body language and gestures are the non-verbal cues that communicate your mood, personality, and intention. You need to be aware of your body language and gestures, and to use them to express your femininity. For example, you can use body language and gestures to show confidence, such as standing tall, smiling, and making eye contact. You can also use body language and gestures to show grace, such as moving smoothly, gently, and elegantly. You can also use body language and gestures to show playfulness, such as tilting your head, touching your hair, or biting your lip. The second step to using your femininity to get what you want as a MTF crossdresser is to enhance your feminine appearance and style. Your appearance and style are the reflection of your femininity, and they influence how you look, feel, and present yourself as a woman. The third step to using your femininity to get what you want as a MTF crossdresser is to communicate and interact with others in a feminine way. Your communication and interaction are the expression of your femininity, and they influence how you relate, connect, and influence others as a woman. The final step to using your femininity to get what you want as a MTF crossdresser is to use your femininity to get what you want in life. Your femininity is not only a way of being, but also a way of doing. You can use your femininity to achieve your goals and dreams, and to create the life you desire. Here are some tips to help you use your femininity to get what you want in life. Set and pursue your goals with feminine energy. One of the ways to use your femininity to get what you want in life is to set and pursue your goals with feminine energy. Feminine energy is the energy of creation, manifestation, and flow. You need to tap into your feminine energy, and to use it to set and pursue your goals. For example, you can use your feminine energy to set your goals based on your passions, values, and purpose, rather than on external expectations, pressures, or norms. You can also use your feminine energy to pursue your goals with ease, joy, and intuition, rather than with stress, struggle, or logic. Attract and manifest opportunities and resources. Another way to use your femininity to get what you want in life is to attract and manifest opportunities and resources. Attracting and manifesting are the processes of bringing into your life what you want and need. You need to master the art of attracting and manifesting, and to use it to get what you want in life. For example, you can use the art of attracting and manifesting to attract and manifest opportunities and resources that align with your goals, such as people, events, or situations. You can also use the art of attracting and manifesting to attract and manifest opportunities and resources that enhance your life, such as money, health, or happiness. Leverage your femininity to influence and persuade others. The final way to use your femininity to get what you want in life is to leverage your femininity to influence and persuade others. Influencing and persuading are the skills of getting others to do what you want them to do, or to agree with what you want them to agree with. You need to hone and use your influencing and persuading skills, and to use them to get what you want in life. For example, you can use your influencing and persuading skills to influence and persuade others to support your goals, to cooperate with you, or to help you. You can also use your influencing and persuading skills to influence and persuade others to buy your products, to hire you, or to date you. In conclusion, you have learned how to use your femininity to get what you want as a MTF crossdresser. You have learned what femininity is and why it is important for MTF crossdressers, how to develop your feminine mindset and attitude, how to enhance your feminine appearance and style, how to communicate and interact with others in a feminine way, and how to use your femininity to get what you want in life. By applying these tips and techniques, you will be able to express your true self and live your best life as a MTF crossdresser. You will also be able to achieve your goals and dreams with ease and grace, and to attract more love, respect, and admiration from others. So, what are you waiting for? Start using your femininity to get what you want today.